Yabo, labantu laba who say Tandeka's behavior is fine. Like, I really feel like they're rage baiting us. There's no way you would think umuntu ogeza ubuso bakhe esinkini enezitsha is normal. There's no way that you would think umuntu ostima ubuso kukhona irayisi elivuliwe phambi kwakhe kanje basically umjuluko wakhe ungangena erayisini abanye abantwana badle uzitshela ukuthi lowo muntu unormal. Apparently uRamona took that same pot le uThandeka kade steamer kuyona directly wenza i-white sauce ngayo. And abantu, they're like, hey, geza wena Thandeka, geza, we are Italian. It made me realize because in reality ama-bullies are aware ukuthi they are bullies. They are very much aware. Ukuthi I thought mina abantu aba-toxic or bullies, they are not fully aware ukuthi they're toxic and bullies until ngize ngibuka abantu besupport behavior yaThandeka. Because ungcono kuthiwa yabona in previous seasons umuntu bevele engathandwa nje ngento nje incane engekho engabonakali that is subjective to a person, but this time uThandeka does the things she does on TV siyambona, it's like it's there, it's visible. It's not like sithi no unenhliziyo embi and then asiboni lutho siyasho nje sithi umbonile umbuke kanjani sifana. No, she is actively showing us her toxic side. Until you work with someone as toxic as uThandeka, because that's bullying other people, that's cruelty ukuthi compromise i-hygiene yabanye abantu ne-health yabanye abantu ngokungcolisa ukudla kwabo and think that's not bullying. Umuntu ohleze ememeza eshouta belittling ama-mental abilities abanye abantu, there's absolutely nothing normal about that. Mese yenziwa kunina in reality leyo nto niyenza la nizoshare ama-story time. Okay, story time on how my manager was mean to me at work. Story time on how I stayed with this toxic roommate at Dre's. Story time on how I went to church with this toxic girl that abused me emotionally and what. But because it's on Big Brother, you're out here rage baiting us. You do not realize the repercussions of what you're preaching. There is a child somewhere, clamping an high school or SRS at this point, that will see your comments encouraging such behavior and they will practice it. And ngathi bangayenza ey'nganeni zenu. Ngathi leyo toxic behavior bangayenza ey'nganeni zenu esikoleni. Bathi vele sibonile thina ku-TikTok ukuthi right nje behavior kanje. Bayenze enganeni zenu, bayenze kumanisi wenu namanephew wenu, bayenze kodadewenu nobhuti benu, bayenze kubantu ekuzozwela, bayenze ey'nhlamvini zamaso enu lento le eyenziwa uThandeka lapha. Uthi uyafika emsebenzini, there's a colleague ugeza ubuso or ugeza izandla phezu kwesikhafutini sakho, uthi uma uthi uyambuza athi bazozwa girl. Because there's absolutely no way y'all are either rage baiting us, which is still wrong because the results of what y'all are saying on social media are very, very, very serious. It's either y'all are rage baiting us or nifana naye. But ngelinye ilanga niyohlangana noThandeka benu and bese niyabuya nisitshela ukuthi bekumnandi yini. Bekumnandi ukuhlala noThandeka. Imagine ukuthi mephuma laphana uThandeka, who's like, after everything, who's gonna wanna associate themselves with that? Sengangithuka vele ngoba ninje toxic bunch. You're like a toxic bunch.
Smash finally asked Thandeka about her behavior of washing her face in the kitchen sink, and Mata stood on business. Thandeka is a true villain, guys. I mean, everyone knows that's wrong, but Thandeka is like, the dishes were dirty, so I might as well wash my face there. About the oven thing, she says I didn't have a dry. What was I supposed to do? And she says other people wash babies in kitchen sink, so she believes she has a baby face, so she might as well. Oh, Thandeka, what a villain.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are reacting to kubona Thandeka laphana aku Big Brother Mzansi season 6. Asitime ebhodweni ekhishini bantu njena they are just complaining ukuthi hayibo lo girl kahle kahle why enda sona ugeza buse sinkini leni titshe ekhishini iweave yakhe uyidraya ku-microwave and people are saying ukuthi no eqha inuku le ntombatane nalento la yendako njena iyabhetha iyabhora ithini hygiene and people are concerned ekutheni hayibo wayangakhoni kubaqabangela labanye bantu why Big Brother angayikhulumi lenzaba le or lento le ayenda kuThandeka why Big Brother athulile because what simbonile Ramona wathatha leli bhodo lekhana qedza kustima ngalo Thandeka wapheka isauce and people are saying ukuthi bayadila then sila Thandeka today smash Africa umbute ngako lokho ukuthi why ageza buse etindishini wathana letindishi vele betingqolile betisadzinga kwasha so hlezi ane answer for yonke into. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.